Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Wen Lambo token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Wen Lambo is a meme coin that embodies the original crypto culture of ambition and freedom, famously tied to the real world story of buying a Lamborghini with Bitcoin. Cultural origin, it receives the iconic Wen Lambo meme symbolizing the early crypto dream of life-changing gains. Symbol of freedom, the project represents freedom from traditional finance gatekeepers, targeting retail trading community. Robinhood era revival, WEN is positioned as the original dream reborn from the on-chain retail culture of Robinhood chain. Wen token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies also 1 billion Wen token, and token is listed on Uniswap B3, Ourbit and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 60% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.